female reproductive part found. That flower in which both male and female reproductive part is found within a single flower, that kind of flower is known as the bisexual flower. We used to dissect it also. मैंने क्लास में आपको dissect करके भी दिखाया है hibiscus को. So a common example of it is China rose or hibiscus that we have already seen in 10th standard. हम dissect करते हैं flower को तो हमें दोनों part दिखाई देते हैं within a single flower. That kind of flower is known as the bisexual flower. And when we are talking about the unisexual flower, again, unisexual flower contains only a single sexual part, or you can say single reproductive part, either male or female. या तो उसमें male होगा या उसमें female part होगा. And we all are aware that the male part of the flower is known as stamen. And the female part is pistil. Male part is stamen and the female part is pistil. Now listen carefully. The flower that contain only the stamen. What it means? The flower that contain only the male part. That kind of flower is known as staminate flower. Staminate flower. And the flower that contain only pistil, or you can say only female part, that flower is known as pistillate flower. Pistillate flower. So again, I am going to repeat it. Simple, you are all are aware that flower is of two types, bisexual, unisexual flower. It is not new. Bisexual flower contains both male and female reproductive part. What it means? Stamen and pistil both are found on a single flower. But in unisexual flower, either stamen presents or pistil present. If the flower contains stamen only, then that kind of flower is known as the staminate flower. And if the flower contains pistil, then that kind of flower is known as the pistillate flower. These all are not new for you, unisexual, bisexual flower, but here again I am going to discuss a single term that is new for you. There are terms monoecious and dioecious. Dioecious. Why I am telling you these all terms? Because these all are in the first chapter, and the basic motto of the first chapter is that you will have to clear all the small concepts of further second and third chapter, so that you will have to clear about the concepts further. So monoecious and dioecious की जब हम बात करते हैं, पहली चीज बहुत ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. They are related to the bisexual and unisexual term only. इन्हीं से ही ये रिलेटेड होते हैं. अब मोनोइशियस क्या होते हैं? मोनोइशियस आर द प्लांट्स. हम उन प्लांट्स को मोनोइशियस बोलते हैं दैट प्लांट कंटेन द बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर. ऐसा प्लांट जिसके पास कैसे फ्लावर है? बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर है, देन दैट काइंड ऑफ फ्लावर इज प्लांट इज नोन एज मोनोइशियस. तो यह ध्यान देने वाली बात यह है बेटा कि मोनोइशियस और डाइशियस जो टर्म हम लेते हैं वो प्लांट्स के रेफरेंस में लेते हैं, लेकिन बाइसेक्सुअल और यूनिसेक्सुअल जो मैं यहाँ टर्म ले रही हूँ वो फ्लावर के रेफरेंस में ले रही हूँ. सो मोनोइशियस आर दोज प्लांट्स दैट कंटेन द बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर, और इसी का आप अपोजिट कर देंगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? डायोशियस. व्हाट इट मीन? डायोशियस आर दोज प्लांट्स व्हिच कंटेन द unisexual flower. So what is the meaning of it? जो प्लांट डायोशियस है उसके पास या तो ऐसे फ्लावर्स होंगे जिसमें केवल स्टैमेन होगा, या ऐसे फ्लावर होंगे जिसमें केवल पिस्टिल होगा. और कभी कभी ऐसा भी आपको केसेस मिलेंगे कि एक सिंगल प्लांट है और उसके पास फ्लावर हैं